Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through fixing the frustrating silent audio or sound cutting out bug in Diablo 4 Lord of Hatred. When you are trying to slash through demons but everything goes completely quiet, it completely ruins the expansion's grim atmosphere. First, open your in-game sound menu. Find the speaker setup option. Switch it to any other setting and then immediately toggle it back to default or your actual audio device. This quickly forces the game engine to refresh its active audio output without needing to restart the client. If you are on PC and the issue persists, press Ctrl+M on your keyboard to check if you accidentally muted the master sound. Next, right-click the speaker icon on your Windows taskbar, navigate to Sound Settings, select your primary playback device, and temporarily disable all audio enhancements. Finally, if you are playing on console, completely quit the game to bypass the quick resume feature as it heavily glitches the audio drivers after a system standby. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.